Alright, welcome back. Here we are, finally getting ready to do the first fire up on this 5.3 liter motor. Let's give it a go. Let it prime. Got all my coolant hoses connected. Got the fan clutch on. Now I just gotta top it off with antifreeze and burp it. I'm gonna be using some coolant additives that I got from my job. This is supposed to be a rust inhibitor. It's supposed to help with rust and any type of corrosion in the coolant system. And this is supposed to help with heat transfer to help the efficiency of the coolant system. So we'll be throwing those in there as well. There she is, running healthy.